Hello guys, we are here at Dita tree in Camalatan, Sitio Camalatan, Nonong, San Luis Aurora. This is the tree that tourists wanted to see. So let's see if let's appreciate the beauty of this Dita tree. Let's go.